Check-in counter. I have a flight to New York at 2 p.m. Where is the check-in counter for Blue Air? I'd like to check in for my flight, please. Can I have a window aisle seat? How much luggage can I carry for free? My baggage exceeds the weight limit. What should I do? I only have a carry-on bag. Can I check this bag through to my final destination? I need a boarding pass, please. Is my flight on time? 2. Security check. Do I need to remove my laptop, liquids? Where do I put my belongings for screening? Can I bring this liquid in my hand luggage? Do I need to take off my shoes, belt? Is this the line for security? My bag was flagged. What's the issue? I have a medical device. Do I need extra screening? Can I bring this food through security? Where's the tray for my items? How long does security usually take? 3. At the gate. Has boarding started for flight number? Is this the gate for destination? Why is the flight delayed? When will boarding begin? Can I get a seat upgrade? Is there Wi-Fi on this flight? How do I connect to airport Wi-Fi? Where's the nearest charging station? Can I still board if I'm late? What's the final call for my flight? 4. On the plane. Where is seat number located? Can I store my bag here? Could you help me lift my luggage? Is there a meal service on this flight? Can I have a blanket, pillow? What's the flight duration? Are there power outlets on board? Can I switch seats with someone? How do I recline this seat? Where are the restrooms? 5. Arrival and baggage claim. Where is baggage claim for flight number? My luggage didn't arrive. What should I do? How do I file a lost baggage claim? Where can I find a trolley? Is customs this way? Do I need to fill out an arrival form? Where's the nearest taxi bus stand? Can I get a SIM card here? Is there a currency exchange nearby? Which way is the exit?